Hi students, good morning to all of you. Then next continue the remaining part of exercise part. I hope you are understood the last our previous class, that is three exercise part questions we are completed. So this is in the this past sub lesson. This is the last exercise part. So these exercise parts are very important for the upcoming exam. So here I am solving now exercise part questions for the this lesson. This lesson means what? Unit 5 our simple needs, that is water, the elixir of life. Here student, explain the term rainwater harvesting. I already explained about this one, rainwater harvesting, in the previous class. Do you know about this one, rainwater harvesting student? Just to recall that what I say. Have you watching there this rainwater harvesting class? How many students have watching? Please student, I kindly request you have to watch and try to study about this. The important lesson is that explain the term rainwater harvesting. Very simple here student. The rainwater harvesting means when the rain falling on the roof is channeled into underground storage tank and is stored for use later. Very simple. When the rain will become, that rain will be falls on the our house roof, that we collect that rainwater in underground storage tank. That underground storage tank water is there that we have to use later. So this is the meaning of rainwater harvesting students. Okay, next one, mention any three activity you do daily which do not require water. Mention any three activities you do daily which do not require water. Which activities? Just to think now. Without water, which activity you will do? Very simple. Many are there. Flying is there. When you are flying, you need water? No. When you are writing, you need water? No. When you are reading, you need water? No. Many activities are there. You have to write, reading, writing, playing, walking. Sorry for student, but the disturbance. And next one, give scientific reasons for the following statements. Give scientific reasons for the following statement. First question here is that 2 by 3rd of the earth is covered with the water, still we have shortage of water. It's very awesome question. This is must and should be have to read all of the student and have to know the answer also. Okay, the answer is very simple. I already explained you. 2 by 3rd of the earth is water, but how much of water is suitable for drinking in this 2 by 3rd of the earth? What earth of the is covered with water? Have you know? Have you knew already? Because I said so. 2 by 3rd of the earth is water, but only 3%. How much percent? 3% of its fresh water is there. Then remaining rest of the water is ocean and seas, which too salty. That's why 2 by 3rd of the water is covered with water. Still we have shortage water. Out of 2 by 3rd of the earth is covered with water. Yes, okay. But how much percentage of water, this much of water is suitable for drinking? Only 3%. That's why still we have shortage of water. And second one, when you go out, we should preferably carry a water bottle from home. This is very important and this is very healthy tips. Okay, because when you are out from your home, to prevent getting any waterborne diseases, that's why I always carry a water bottle in a from a home. Water in a bottle from a home. Keep in your mind, water bottle from the home. When you go out, you should preferably carry a water bottle from the home. Why? Because to prevent getting any waterborne disease from outside. If you are drink water from the outside of the any in the shop, street shop, we don't know that water is pure is there or fresh is there. If suppose we are drinking, if there any waterborne disease will become, who is the responsible? So that's why that is very best to say, when you go outside, we carry a water bottle from the home. This is the correct answer. And third one, wet clothes dry up quickly when they are spread out in the sun. Very simple, all of you know that one. Because sunlight and dry air absorb the water content, water droplets from wet clothes when they are spread out in the sun. That is the answer, student. When wet clothes dry up quickly when they are spread out in the sun. Why? Because in the atmosphere sunlight is falls, that and also air is coming. Okay, sometimes dry air is coming, dry air and sunlight falls on the wet clothes. What happened? That whatever water content is there in the wet clothes, that is absorbed. Both are, that is both are means what? Which sunlight and dry air, then cloths becomes dry. This is the answer, student. And next here, apart from the ice, mention at least 3 other things that would be melt in the sun. Sugar, butter, ghee. These are the answer. Very simple. Apart from the ice, which things becomes melt from the sunlight? Sugar is also melt. Check, you take one small sugar in the bowl just to keep that outside from the home in the sunlight. Observer continuous to 2 to 3 hours. What happened? Sugar becomes melt. Okay, this like you have to do activities. Okay, I already said now this all the answer for exercise question answer. And one more thing, these all question answer I will send to your WhatsApp group. I will send to your WhatsApp subject. WhatsApp group is there. You have to look and write in their notebook properly and buy it also. I hope you are understood. Thank you. Bye bye.